This aromatic comfort food dinner has few ingredients and is ready in about an hour and cooks in one pan. Serves 4 ingredients. 2 large firm Basque or red pears, peeled cored and cut into chunks, about 3/4 inch in diameter. 1 medium butternut squash, peeled seeded and cut into chunks, about 3/4 inch in diameter. Sea salt freshly, ground black pepper. 1 pork tenderloin, about 1/4 lbs, olive oil, for rubbing, ½ cup brown sugar. 3 tbsp unsalted butter. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F and line a large, shallow baking pan with parchment paper. Place the pear and squash chunks in a large bowl and season with salt and pepper. Toss well. Rub the pork tenderloin with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Let stand at room temperature while the squash and pears begin roasting. Melt the sugar and butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir frequently to dissolve the sugar and form a smooth, creamy glaze. Remove from the heat and let cool 3 minutes. Continue stirring to keep the glaze smooth. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar glaze over the pork tenderloin. Pour the remainder of the glaze in the bowl with the squash and pears and toss well to coat. Turn the coated chunks out into the baking pan in a single layer. Drizzle any glaze left in the bowl over them. Roast the squash and pears 10 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and use a spatula to turn the squash and pears over. Move the chunks to the sides of the pan to make room for the pork tenderloin in the middle. Keep the squash and pears in a single layer. Continue roasting 25 to 30 minutes until the pork is just cooked through and the squash and pears are tender and browned. Transfer the tenderloin to a cutting board and let rest 5 minutes. Keep the squash and pears warm. Slice the tenderloin into 12 medallions and divide among 4 plates. Divide the squash and pears alongside. Spoon a little of the pan juices over the pork and serve.